I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off your comment section on YouTube in 3 different ways. Now the first step is to download the YouTube Studio app if you haven't and go into the app. So now there are 2 major reasons why your comment section could be turned off or turned on. Now if it's just one particular video that has this problem, just go into this video and then click on this button here, which is the edit button. Then you see invisibility. If it's private, then people are not allowed to comment on your video, therefore the comment section will be turned off. So you have to fix that, and you can put it on unlisted or public. So I'm going to put it on public now. Then go back and save. Now let's go to the video. You can see the comment section is turned off. To fix that, we have to go back to our YouTube Studio, click on this pencil button here to edit, and then down here you click on this place, more options, and then here you would see comments. Now you see the comment section is off. You're going to fix that by clicking on it and go to on, and now it's on. Yeah, and save it. And now the comment section will be turned on. Another reason your comment section could be turned off could be your settings, your channel settings, but that one cannot be fixed in your mobile YouTube Studio. You have to do it on your desktop, but I'll show you how to do it on your phone as well. You have to have YouTube Studio desktop version on your phone. I have a link on how to have access to the desktop version in your phone. It will be linked here. Click on your YouTube Studio desktop. Now go to settings here. Then go to channels, advanced settings, scroll down, and here you see that my channel is set as made for kids. If your channel is made for kids, then the comment section would be turned off. So the question here says, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? If your channel is not made for kids, you say no, set this channel as not made for kids. But if your channel is a mix, maybe you have some content for kids and some content are not for kids, you can go to I want to review these settings. If you choose I want to review these settings, it means in every video you have the option to set it for kids or not to set it for kids. But if your channel is mostly made for adults or teenagers, just click on here, which is no, set this channel for kids, and then save it. And now your comment section would be opened. Now if your comment section is still not opened, then there is one more thing you have to fix. Now go to settings and go to community, then go to default. Comment section is set on off by default. So by default, every time I upload a video, my comment section is turned off. This is especially good if you're being trolled and you cannot deal with that. You can decide to put your comment section on off by default. So every time you upload a video, your comment section will be off, but you can fix that by just clicking on here, and that will be fixed. And if you want it turned off, you go back to off. And when you're done with your settings, you save. And now if you've done all these 3 things, your comment section will definitely be turned on. And you can also do the opposite. If you want to turn it off, go to all these places and switch your comment section off. Now there's something else I want to show you in case you're being trolled or you're being bullied as a content creator. You need to protect yourself, and to do that, you go to settings, community, automated filter, and in automated filter you can go here and you can hide users here. So if you know any user that is trolling, you put them in this box here, put their username, and you will no longer see their comment section. As you can see here, it says comments and live chat messages from this user won't show up. It may take several days to remove existing comments. This user will not be able to create clips of your videos or live streams. So if you're being bullied by a particular person, you can use this to fix this. And you can also block some words here. All future comments containing or closely matching these words will be held for a review. Live chat messages containing or closely matching these words will be blocked. So basically, if you're being trolled with a particular word like bitch or hoe, you can put the words here, and every time someone comments with such words, their comments would not be seen or would be blocked, so you would never have to see stupid comments. So this is a way to protect yourself as a content creator.